Welcome to RGS TV, and in this video we will solve a problem from electrical engineering. Okay, so actually this is a problem now. This is a problem from um, uh, DC transient. Okay, so we have here a coil of inductance 25 Henry with initial current of 1 ampere. Okay, is suddenly connected to a source voltage of 8.9 plus quantity 30 volts. Okay. So what is the current in the inductor after 5 seconds? Okay, so meron tayo dito ng initial condition. No. So sabi diyan the initial current. Okay? The initial current um is 1 ampere. So that means na okay, at t equal to 0, ang ating I is I sub O, okay, or 1 ampere. Okay? Now, ang pinapahanap is yung magiging I natin, okay? So, when t is 5 seconds or after 5 seconds. Okay? So, t equal to 5. Okay, yung I natin, so meron siyang certain value. Okay, so ano yon. Okay? So, dito, ang basic na knowledge na kailangan alam natin, syempre, yung KBL, no? So, I introduce KBL or I mention KBL kasi nga, di naman lahat ng oras is yung circuit natin is pure inductor or pure capacitance na. Okay, so sometimes meron siyang naka-series na resistor. Okay, so yung yung pinagmulan ng mga formulas natin diyan sa transient, okay, yung pag-create ng equation is from KBL. Okay? Pag mga series na. Ayan. So we only have here two components na yung source natin tsaka yung um inductor. Okay? So let's say at any time meron tayong kurenteng I. Okay? We use small letter to denote that yung I natin is naka-time varying na. Okay? Ayun. So, okay, diretso tayo na. Okay, by KVL. Okay? So, from the supply, we have positive na. And then, so drop yon. So, minus yung voltage across the inductor V sub L na equal to 0. Okay? Then, rewrite the equation or E is equal to B sub L. Okay? Yung ating E na given is yung 8.9 plus square root of 3t. Okay? Equal to VL. So, L. Okay, DI dt na. Okay, always remember na yung voltage drop sa inductor is proportional sa derivative ng current at any time. Okay, now we have here the value for L, which is okay 25 Henry. So this will become okay 25 okay di dt. Okay, now let us manipulate the equation. So yung di ilagay mo sa left side. Okay, isolate mo yung di sa right side. So times dt then over 25 now. So this will become 8.9 plus square root ng 3t, okay, over 25 dt. Okay? Then, we will integrate both sides. Ayan. Okay? So, dito, differential of t. So, siyempre, yung limits mo dyan, okay, yung ano mo, yung values ng t mo. Okay? So, tayo na from 0 to 5. Okay? So, this is from 0 to and 5. Okay? Then yung ating kuryente is kumbaga yung kapartner. Okay, ano yung kuryente mo? 20 is 0. So meron tayong I sub O. Okay? I sub O which is equal to 1 ampere. And the current 20 is 5. So yun ang kailangan natin dito na. Okay? And I. So, if this is a board exam problem, ito, huwag mo nang pahirapan sarili mo, no? I-calculator mo na lang yan. Okay? So, palitan mo yung t ng x kasi wala namang t sa calculator. Okay, so kakalculate mo, ang input mo dyan ay 0 to 5 and 8.9 plus square root of 3x over 25 then dx. Okay, ayan, so ito yung ating calculator. Okay, saan na siya? Sa kabilang side. Okay, So, the integral, okay, ng 8.9 plus square root ng 3x. Okay? Over 25 with limits from 0 to 5. Okay? So, yung ating magiging right side, yung kanyang value, no, 2.296. So, this one, okay, 2.296. Okay. And syempre, integral and differential is the variable itself, no? So, I with limits from I sub O equal to 1 and I. Okay, so this is 2.296. Now, obviously, no, pag variable lang yan, so syempre, yung simplified result nito is I minus 1. Okay, equal to 2.296. So, therefore, yung kuryente natin after 5 seconds is 2.296 plus 1. So, that is 3.296 amperes. Okay? So, this will be our current na in the inductor after 5 seconds. Okay? So, that's it na. Okay, thank you for watching.